Hey, welcome back to Noah's Cooking, where we're changing the world one recipe at a time with a splash of physics. I recently did a recipe about a bulgur salad that was kind of inspired by Greek salad flavors with feta cheese and olives. Delicious. I thought I'd spend a minute just talking about what is bulgur. Well, bulgur is just wheat. So this is hard red wheat berries, and this is what we grind up to make our flours to make bread and things like that. Now you can cook these wheat berries directly, and we'll do that because they make a really great rice alternative, but they take a long time to cook. So what they do to make bulgur is they take this hard red wheat and they partially cook it and then dehydrate it and then chop it up into little pieces so you get this. And what that does for you is allows you to cook this whole grain in very little time. In fact, you can just passively cook it. Now, in that video, we talked about the fact that bulgur has 1/6 of the greenhouse gas emissions as compared to rice. But what we didn't talk about is that it has more protein and it has 2 times more fiber than brown rice and more than 5 times more fiber than white rice. And fiber is the thing, for the most part, we don't get enough of. There's an estimate that only 3% of the United States gets enough fiber. So this is another really great reason to add this quick cooking, delicious, nutritious, low greenhouse gas bulgur to your diet. Enjoy.